So today I'm going to talk about what to look for in a lash trainer. First, I think it's important to look for someone who has been doing lashes professionally for at least 3 years. I think a lot of people have found out that they can make money doing lash extensions or teaching lash extensions, which is great, but the amount of knowledge that you gain over doing lashes over time, I think, is a lot more effective when it comes to teaching your skills than it is to just be regurgitating information that you've recently received from a course. I think it's important to look for someone who offers continued education, someone who you can use as a mentor that will be there to answer your phone calls, text messages, questions you may have after training. A lot of trainings are 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, but your learning experience doesn't end after 3 days. It's going to take you time to perfect your skill. Questions are going to come up, so make sure you're looking for someone who's interested in sticking with you through your lashing journey and helping to be there to mentor you through the entire process. Also, look for a lash artist who has similar style to what you're looking for. There's a lot of teachers out there who teach just the style that they know, which is totally fine. If that's the style that you're looking to learn, then great. But if you're wanting to broaden your horizon and learn different styles, classic, volume, mega volume, Russian volume, whatever it is that you're wanting to learn and perfect, make sure that their photos reflect that style of lashes so that you can make sure that that's the style that you will be learning.